Hey friends, in this video I recreated a hairstyle my mom did in my hair when I was a little one, and I did that in Sekora's hair. And this video is in collaboration with This Is Gugu and Lady Justice. They also did some cute little hairstyles their mom did in their hair, in their little one's hair as well. So make sure to check out their channels. I will have links in the description box below. So I started off by spraying her hair with the spray bottle. And now I'm just going to create a middle part, and I use the tip of her nose as my guide to where I'm going to create that part, and I'm going to create it all the way to the back. And then I'm just going to put a ponytail in one side just to keep it out of the way until I'm ready to work with it. And now I'm just going to create another part using her ear as my guide. And now I'm going to put a ponytail in it, but before I do that, I'm going to grab some of the control paste and put it on her edges before I get the elastic in. And then because her hair was getting a bit dry, I did spray her hair with the spray bottle. I usually do that before I get the control paste in there, and then I do make sure I detangle the hair before I get a ponytail in, as well as I love to use my soft bristle brush when I am getting ponytails in because it makes the ponytail so nice and smooth. And then finally, I got the elastic in there. And now for the other side, I just did the exact same steps. You want to create that part, then you want to spray it with the spray bottle, detangle it, grab the control paste, and then the soft bristle brush, and then get that elastic in there. So now I'm just taking the ponytail, I'm going to braid it, and I braided it pretty much to the end of the hair. You don't have to do that if your little one, especially if your little one has longer hair. I would just braid it maybe a little bit past the middle of that ponytail. And now I'm just going to combine that hair at the back with that braid. But before I do that, I just sprayed her hair with the spray bottle. And then I made sure her hair was all nice and detangled before I got that ponytail in there. And then I am using some of the control paste again on her edges. And this time, instead of the soft bristle brush, I felt like I needed to use the fine tooth comb just to get some of those knots out that the wide tooth comb couldn't get. And as you can see, I'm not combing it all the way through to her ends because I find that the fine tooth comb, if you comb it all the way through to her ends, it will break her ends. And now, as you can see, I combined that braid with the hair at the back, and I'm gonna put a elastic in there, and you'd want to try to get that elastic in line with the elastic at the front as best as you can. And now I'm just gonna create another braid with the rest of the hair that's left out. I'm spraying it with the spray bottle. Make sure it's all nice and detangled before I get that braid in there, just because you wanna do that so that the braid looks nice and smooth. And then I just put an elastic at the end of that braid. So now I'm just doing those exact same steps on this side that I did on the other side. So friends, I did want to mention that the hairstyle is not exactly like the picture, and I'm going to be honest with you guys, I did try to do like the cornrows in the front, but it just wasn't working out. I did it like about 3 times. Sometimes my cornrow days are awesome, like I do some amazing cornrows, and then sometimes I'm so off. So this day when I was doing the hair tutorial, they were off, so then I decided to put elastics in it, and it worked out better for me. But you guys can just do the cornrows at the front if you wanted, or even just do a braid without the elastic. That would work out too. And then when I was finished, I just added a little bit more of the Blueberry Bliss control paste to her edges just to clean it up a bit. So my friends, if you like this hairstyle I recreated from one that my mom did on me when I was a little girl, please give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to check out Lady Justice and This Is Gugu's hair channel so you can check out the hairstyle that they did on their little ones that they received from their mommy when they were little. We love you, friends. Bye!